Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechHands. So today I will show you how to mute your Zoom meeting by using your Zoom meeting mobile application, and this method works for all Android and iOS platforms because these app settings are common for all devices. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, I try to open my Zoom meeting mobile application. So now I start a sample meeting, which means that here I does not use any Zoom meeting ID or I did not enter any of my Zoom friends ID. So just I try to press new meeting and it shows my Zoom ID. So I try to press start a meeting. So now it starts to connecting. So be patient. Finally my mobile camera is ready. So if you like to mute this conversation, by simply press this mute icon and it is placed at the bottom of first one and my conversation is muted. And another way to disconnect your audio is just press this horizontal three dots icon and the more option and then press disconnect audio, and this process is completed. So if you want to unmute this meeting, just press this join audio option and the first one and then select call via device audio. So now my microphone is ready to use. So this is the way you can easily mute and unmute your Zoom meeting by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechHands, and thanks for watching.